Child protective reports are not criminal reports. So that doesn't fall into that statute. We have 1854-14, which talks about false reports in relation to violence protective orders. This is not about a violence protective order. We literally have no remedy right now for the department or for law enforcement or for prosecutors related to lying about child protective investigations. Then number two, if you're the subject of a false report related to your child, the only way you can get a remedy, if you did know who was falsely reporting, is you would have to have enough money to go hire an attorney and go through the multi-year process of trying to seek a remedy and a judgment against that party. You're going to have to spend money to subpoena the party. You're going to have to spend money on discovery. And what parent, after they just cleared a CPS investigation, is in that position? I'll leave the committee with this. We have to remember that in most child abuse, neglect, and abandonment reports that the department investigates, and they get over 21,000 calls a year. Last year, they investigated 9,303 cases, and we are right at the national average of 83% are found unsubstantiated. So we do have a strong state compelling interest to protect our parents, especially from false reports. 29 states have criminal penalties for false reporting to CPS. Some are felonies, some are 5 years in prison in the state of Florida and a $5,000 fine, and we have no such penalty in the state of Idaho right now.
It took a lot of money. He ended up with that child because it was complete lies. And this language is just a small way of looking to protect and to keep from lying. We're saying false reporting, but friends, we're talking about flat out lying. That's all we're trying to prevent. And if we do that and we drop the number of cases, then those cases that actually do need to get more attention paid to, where we can actually work on really protecting kids, we'll have more resources to do that, because that's what we want to prevent, right? We don't want the kids who are actually in harm's way from remaining in harm's way, and this gives more attention to them. I would absolutely encourage you to support the motion at hand. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.